guys, welcome to another video. Right now I'm on my way to meet my cousin. He has a new bike, so you guys will see that when I meet him. I was supposed to meet him like probably 10 minutes ago. I'm late as usual. So I'm supposed to meet him at the Pizza Hut. What's up?
What the hell is that?
I don't want to ruin my shoes.
I know, you're protecting your shoes, huh?
Yeah.
You know you buy something in Amazon.
Really? To do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll do it. I know, it looks crazy.
I like your shoes though.
Thanks. Just got here.
Yeah.
Nice. So you know the way there?
Sources.
Yeah, you could go down that way, take Jaimes, or
From Jaimes to go down.
yeah, or we could go back all the way there. But I think we should go there, the light, turn left, Jaimes.
It's not here, it's in Sources.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You go straight there, turn left on Jaimes.
Yeah. Okay. You like my new shoes? Check it out, I painted this.
Yeah, I saw you shared it to me.
Yeah.
It's clean, it's nice.
I know, right? I'm gonna buy instead of paying $50.
Yeah, just do it yourself. Not bad.
New shoes.
Oh wow, you have a shoes there. Nice. All right, back at it. Oh yeah, where? Yeah. He told me he saw me one morning when I was on my way to work. He called me. Yeah. Ooh, big boy, yeah? That's a big bike. Oh, Street Fighter is nice. That's a bike I want too. No doubt. No doubt. I hear you. Oh, they don't hear you now. Really? R9? What, you're gonna change the R7 now? You just got it. It's okay, R7's fine. like it. Oh, you changed your muffler? I want to hear it. I didn't hear it yet. I hear it on video, but I want to hear it in person too. Oh my God, the potholes. So yeah, at the light over there, we turn left. I got a pop. So you like my sock, eh? Protects the shoes. A what? A composite? What's... Yeah, I do. Oh yeah, the hard shell, eh? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I have it, but I don't find it too comfortable. Alright. I never been to your place yet though, eh? I never been, yeah, I haven't been there yet. Nice. I have to change mine too. Yeah, why not? I already got all my stuff. You have a motorcycle lift at your place? Ah, okay. No, I didn't need it. Yeah, that one. Anywhere you want.